captains for the toss-up. Mashrafi just tossed the coin. Nasir Hussain, who's acting as the skipper, had called right, and he has decided to field first, and that has been the trend today.
To see their team in front of their own crowd, knock of 80 runs, but that was not good enough to bring Rangpur Riders home.
Well, they've got their work cut out, you can be assured of that, because the Dhaka Gladiators on paper and the way they perform, and out come the Gladiator batsman, Mohammad Ashraful. Dhaka Gladiators have made a few changes. Mahbubul Alam is not playing, Shomo Sharkar is not playing, Lokaraji has bin kept out, and so has Oais Shah. Mashrafi Martuza has come in, so is Tilakaratne Dilshan. Rakib Al Hassan is in, so is Shakib Al Hassan. And we have a look at the Rangpur Riders team. The captain, Abdul Razak, is not playing today. Now being led by Nasir, and also coming in Dhiman Ghosh, Mohammad Sharif. Tafash Boisha goes out, so does Neil O'Brien, who's got, I was talking to him earlier, he's got a cough problem with his cough, he's got some pull in his cough. So Dilshan will be, who's going to face the first ball, can be devastating. There's the first ball. Oh, lovely shape to that one. Just whipped away nicely. That's a beautiful shot. Didn't really drift too far down leg, but Dilshan is onto it in a flash.
Pitching it a bit fuller on the pads, and that was indeed Dilshan's stroke, tailor-made for him. And talking about Dilshan, he is not in the best of his forms, but he will surely get a lot of confidence once again.
Oh, he's pulled that, and he's pulled that wide of the fielder. He's going to get another 4 runs. Oh, he's looking to give the ball at the charge for a couple to the boundary.
Gladiator supersonic train is already on its way. 2 4s back to back, this time pitching it short off the back foot. You are bowling it to
short pull away, and that seems to be the area that Tilakaratne Dilshan is favouring.
Moved Tilakaratne Dilshan out of his off-summon play towards point or extra cover. He has targeted that onside, drafting it towards that area. There's no protection on the boundary on that mid-wicket or corner area. What a boundary. 13.
Bowlers that Bangladesh produce. That's quietly flicked away, glanced fine. No bother chasing that. Pace of the ball, just taking it over.
Got a short fine leg in place in form of Edwards, pitching it outside the leg stump. A gift indeed for a man in great touch, Dilshan. Guiding it to that area. To be a test of nerves.
Oh, he almost got a wicket. I think he might have gone in. He has. He tempted Tilakaratne Dilshan to come down the wicket. Dhiman Ghosh behind to ensure that he took off the bails.
Murad wouldn't have thought when he was selected to play this one that he will get the prize wicket of Tilakaratne Dilshan coming way down the crease. The stumps were rattled way before he could get back.
That's a gift that might be out. That's the target. He's been trying to do that, and he's enjoyed that. He's of Junaid Siddiqui.
That was a perfect ply for him. They have been bowling right at that leg stump area for the last over or so, and this time Kaka hoop. Spot on, Kevin O'Brien.
Oh, he's played it rather straight, and he's got the boundary he wanted. Last delivery. Welcome to the park, Mohammad Sharif.
He'll really miss out on loose deliveries. It was slow, but he picked it up very nicely, very early, and putting it away for the boundary. So the boundary is coming in thick and fast for Dhaka Gladiators.
Right out of mind, but he's dangerous. Is an understatement. That is a real monster hit.
It's huge. Got underneath it, and look at the way it got the distance. Massive 6. Second here, 83 meters.
They better check that. Looks bigger than that.
Bijoy goes this time, doing it with ease. That's the 100.
Pitch of that ball. He floated that one in, and he was under that very nicely, right through the line of that ball. Just looked at the ball sail over for the maximum. Enjoyed that.
Oh, wonderful shot. Placement, superb from Enamul Haq.
Delight. Ooh, that's what he said, puckering his lips, and he enjoyed that. Look at that. Shot of strength, shot of style, and a shot of class.
He'll find the fielder this time. Nasser Hussain, the skipper. Favored shot brings about his
Decent, a little bit cocky, getting the last one. This one again seemed to be getting underneath that nicely, but he knew he was in trouble as soon as he played it. Nasser Hussain doesn't miss out on those. Big smile breaks out.
He'll get 4. Brilliant placing once again from Enamul Haq.
Oh, he's looking. The riders really want to get rid of quickly. He is on to that, adjusting to the stroke. You see him just dancing down and moving away towards the onside and making room for himself.
It does take a while to get used to the pace of Is that his first boundary? And he makes it with a 6. Darren Stevens is on his way. 137 for 3.
Darren Stevens hit a solid looking shot. A little while earlier, went along.
4 more. Brilliant shot.
And he tried to follow him, Murad, but Darren Stevens equal to the task. Just put it away. Yeah, you shouldn't bowl at that line.
Oh, that's big, but not big enough. But the fielder, no, he can't reach it.
Taposh, it was difficult. It was really difficult. He couldn't just get underneath it and just kept on catches, but not that time around.
Holy God, that is amazing.
And look where he's delivered that ball from, way behind that crease.
Look where it's reached.
Way beyond the boundary lines. Gone all the way. That is.
He's used the angle. Smart use of the angle. 50 for Enamul.
What an innings this has been from Enamul Haq. Second 50 in the second edition of BPL.
Well, that spoiled it. That's out of here. Full toss. Outside leg stump.
Just got it wrong in the last moment, trying to bowl a fuller length. Got it wrong. No full toss. Easy pickings for Enamul.
That's gone as well. Deep into the stands. Celebrating all these big hits.
That is a terrific hit, isn't it? Didn't go down the pitch. He knew the length, picked it up very early and went with the stroke. 91 meters. Magnificent hit.
More runs. There's no stopping this one either. Gosh, this is massacre.
To be a super knock from Enamul Haq. What a terrific shot that is. One more time, all along the carpet. And look at the way it goes.
Oh gosh, this guy is playing the innings of his life. So quick to judge length.
What a shot. Welcome to the party. Thank you very much. That's pulled away. Flat 6. It's a short boundary, but you still need to put it away.
That's finally a top edge. There's a fielder under it and he takes it. That's the end of a sensational innings, you've got to say. Enamul Haq, 83 of 45.
Tekeba wanted to repeat that, just getting in a top right side edge and went up in the air. Mohammad Sharif takes it easy, but not before. We have witnessed a very fine knock. Scintillating innings. Enamul Haq 8.
Oh gosh. Recently by Duronto Rajshahi. That's in the air. Fielder under it. Oh God, he can't take it. It's got over. 6 to end it. The Gladiators have made history. 217 for 4 in 20 overs, the highest ever in BPL.
Bijoy getting into the act. Even the last delivery, not an easy shot to hit. And then he managed to put bat on the ball and get a huge 6 to ensure that Dhaka goes on to put the highest ever total in the history of BPL. Super effort. 217 for 4.
Well, they played magnificently. Occasion, at least it gives you a license to go at everything. 18, Dilshan was quick in 12 balls, then 14 was Ashraful. But the innings that will be remembered for a while is 83 of 46 by Enamul Haq Bijoy, 42 of 24 by Shakib, 42 of 22 by Stevens, and even the last ball 6 by Cobb that brought them to this magnificent total.
There was a really good partnership. The opening between Dilshan and Ashraf was looking good, 34-21, but they got in and got out. But look at that partnership. Enamul Haq Bijoy partnering Shakib Al Hasan, 82 in 44 deliveries, and then another big one, 77 between Stevens and Enamul in just 37 deliveries. Even 20 of 9 was very crucial indeed to take them to the total of 217, the highest ever so far in this competition.
Gosh, they've taken a beating as you'd expect. This is a record. 8 bowlers used. He lost it in the middle. Nasir Hussain, I don't blame him. He went for 50. 28 for 1 wicket was O'Brien. He was decent. 2 for 29 was Murad. But other than that, they're all in double figures, and really